Sanna?
Yes, Sanna. Yep.
Or do you prefer Salmi?
No, actually, Salmi is my maiden name, which is
Oh,
fine too. But so Sanna is my first name. Yes. So yes, that's good.
Sanna. Well, you're the director of sales for View Hotels. You're in Melbourne?
Yes, in Melbourne. That's correct.
So this is a collection of independent boutique hotels, correct?
Yeah. So we have 3 hotels as part of the View Hotels. So we have one in Melbourne, one in Sydney, one in Brisbane, and we're all 4-star hotels. It is a smaller group, but yeah, it's a small little collection. So nice.
Leisure travelers, mainly?
We have in all hotels we have a good mix of a pretty good market mix of corporate, leisure, groups, inbound, etc. So
That's good.
yeah.
That's good.
Mm.
Well, how are things? How are the
Things
hotels doing?
things are going pretty well actually. We have been considering the circumstances. We have been open. All of 3 hotels have been open. I can obviously talk a bit more about my hotel. But we have been open, and we have been very lucky that our market mix has included some airline crew, which obviously it's been dropped out, but they're still doing cargo. So
Yeah,
we've been lucky with that.
sure.
And also the hotel is, just to give you a bit of context, the hotel's located 4 kilometres out of Melbourne CBD, the central business district, and we're located on a very busy road with full of corporate headquarters offices. So we're also located close to a hospital. So that's been really good for us. We haven't had any self-isolation bookings. It's been more about we service the friends and family of the patients anyway. But then also there was concerns that if the virus was going to go really bad and there was not enough hospital beds, we were getting ready for assisting the hospital, basically turning one of the floors to a ward. That didn't luckily happen because the government managed the situation pretty well. So, but we get a constant stream from the hospital as well. So maybe it's sometimes nurses and doctors coming in to stay for a couple of weeks while they work. So
Great. Good for you.
yeah.
So what have you been doing during all this and then leading up to we all expect a rebound, right? So what's
Yes.
happening in your world?
In our world, also what has kept us busy during the pandemic is we installed a new PMS system a month and a bit, 2 months ago. And that's been obviously keeping us busy, and it's been good time to train staff, sort of iron out any of the little hiccups that come with changing the systems, and because it's been quiet, so it's been actually quite good. We have also rebranded late last year, so it's been giving us an opportunity to get rid of anything that's old branding, reviewing collateral. It's actually been a really good time, sort of downtime to do those sort of things. And we've also done a general cleanup at the hotel. The hotel was built in the 90s, and it's been a hotel for a long time. So we cleared out some storages and things like that. But going forward, we are really tapping into the local corporate market. We are really active in a sort of leisure space as well. We're trying to encourage the sort of drive-in business from Victoria, because in Australia, all the states and territories aren't open as yet with their borders. So currently we can drive to Sydney or New South Wales, but Queensland and all the other states are still closed. So our the next sort of couple of weeks will be more encouraging driving business, leisure business from regional Victoria. And then we're hoping that when they have started now rugby league and AFL, that we will get a bit of leisure business from that. We've installed a couple of TVs in a hotel to encourage people to even come and watch the game at the hotel. So they're doing no spectators at the moment. So
Right.
yeah.
So how's your staff? How are they doing?
Um, they're pretty good. The Australian government initiated JobKeeper payments, so we have been able to keep most of the permanent staff. So that has been really good. Some people are doing only a couple of days a week, but at least they still working. And yeah, we're doing a lot of cleaning duties. We're doing a lot of relooking at things, and specifically, you know, moving on to. There's a lot of work behind setting up your conferencing to social distancing, setting up your restaurants for social distancing, some new hygiene product regimes, things like that. So that will truly keep us busy. So yeah.
How's the attitude of the citizens about traveling, even if it's, you know, short distances? I mean, I'm in Texas.
Yeah.
I'm in Texas, and it's like, yeah, man, you know, I mean, we're moving. I don't know if that's smart, but we're doing it.
Well, the feedback I've been getting from our corporates is we've been well and truly keeping in touch with our clients, and what the feedback I'm getting is they're still a little bit hesitant. In Victoria, you're not allowed to they don't encourage you to work from the office yet. So we're still basically working from home, and until the government gives us a green light that we can actually start working from the office, it's going to be required. So, and the leisure travel, it's sort of slowly picking up, but people are still a bit hesitant. And usually people come down to Melbourne from the interstate to interstate or regional Victoria for the AFL. So, and that's not happening for spectators. So, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hey, good talk. I appreciate your time and giving us some insight into what's going on in Melbourne.
Not a problem. And yeah, it's been a good early wake up kickoff for Friday. So
all right. You have a great day.
Cool. You too. Thank you. Bye.